Look, the job market is a battlefield. You need every advantage you can get. Gone are the days of dropping resumes in a pile and hoping for the best. Today, it's all about digital hustle, and LinkedIn is your biggest weapon. Think of it as your online resume, but way more powerful. It's where you showcase your skills, experience, and personality to the world. Forget about boring old resumes. LinkedIn lets you bring your professional story to life. Videos, articles, recommendations, it's all there. This is how you stand out from the crowd and catch the eye of recruiters actively searching for someone just like you. No matter what industry you're in, from marketing to engineering, having a strong LinkedIn presence is non-negotiable. It's the first place hiring managers look, and you need to be ready to impress. Your LinkedIn profile is your chance to make a lasting first impression and open doors to incredible opportunities. Don't let your future pass you by. Get on LinkedIn and start building your brand today.
Let's talk about AI. It's not science fiction, it's running the show on LinkedIn. This means the platform's algorithm decides who sees your profile. Your job? Make sure it loves you. How? By feeding it the information it craves. A complete and detailed profile is key. The more you tell LinkedIn about your skills, experience, and goals, the better it can match you with the right opportunities. Think of it like this. LinkedIn's AI is like a matchmaker, but instead of love, it's connecting you with your dream job. The more information you provide, the better the match. Don't be shy. Brag a little. List every skill, every achievement, every piece of relevant experience you have. The more complete your profile, the more likely you are to be discovered by recruiters and hiring managers. Remember, in the digital age, visibility is everything.
Your LinkedIn profile isn't just a resume, it's your personal billboard. It needs to grab attention and make people want to learn more. Let's break down how to optimize each section for maximum impact. Your headline isn't the time to be humble. Your headline is your first impression, make it count. Use keywords that recruiters are searching for and highlight your unique value proposition. Tell your story in the About section. This is your chance to go beyond bullet points and showcase your personality. What are you passionate about? What makes you unique? Keep it concise, engaging, and keyword-rich. Don't just list job titles and dates in the experience section. Use strong action verbs and quantify your accomplishments whenever possible. Instead of saying you managed a team, say you led a team of 10 to exceed quarterly goals by 15%. See the difference? LinkedIn is all about skills. Add at least 50 relevant skills to your profile and ask colleagues, clients, and mentors for endorsements. The more endorsements you have, the more credible your skills appear to recruiters.
Having a killer LinkedIn profile is just the first step. To truly unlock its potential, you need to be an active participant in the community. This means engaging with content, joining groups, and building relationships. Share your insights, comment on articles, and start conversations. The more you contribute to the platform, the more visible you become to potential employers. Find and join LinkedIn groups relevant to your industry and interests. This is a great way to connect with like-minded professionals, learn from experts, and expand your network. Don't be afraid to reach out to people you admire or who work at companies you're interested in. Personalize your connection requests, engage with their content, and build genuine relationships. Remember, networking is a two-way street. Offer value, be helpful, and build authentic connections. The more active you are on LinkedIn, the more opportunities will come your way. Beyond LinkedIn, building your personal brand galaxy. LinkedIn is the sun, but your personal brand should be a whole galaxy. That means having a consistent presence across multiple platforms. Think Twitter for industry insights, GitHub for coding projects, Medium for thought leadership, and even Instagram or TikTok for a behind-the-scenes look at your work. Each platform has its strengths. Tailor your content accordingly. A deep dive article on Medium won't land the same way on TikTok. Understand the audience and adjust your style. Cross-promotion is key. Share your latest LinkedIn article on Twitter, mention your GitHub projects on your LinkedIn profile, connect the dots for your audience and drive traffic between platforms. Remember, consistency is key. The same professionalism you exhibit on LinkedIn should be reflected across all your online channels. Building a strong personal brand takes time and effort, but the payoff is worth it.
Stay safe, stay professional. Your social media code. With great power comes great responsibility. Your online presence is an extension of your professional brand. Everything you post, share, or comment on contributes to the image you project to the world. Think before you post. Would you be comfortable with a potential employer seeing this? If the answer is no, don't post it. Be respectful. Engage in healthy debate, but avoid personal attacks or discriminatory language. Treat everyone online with the same respect you would offline. Keep it professional. Your social media profile should reflect the best version of yourself. Avoid posting anything that could be considered unprofessional or inappropriate for a work environment. Privacy matters. Be mindful of your privacy settings and the information you share publicly. Review your privacy settings regularly, and be aware of the information you are making accessible to others. Remember, the internet never forgets. Once something is posted online, it can be challenging to remove entirely. Always err on the side of caution and present yourself in a way that aligns with your professional goals.
Measuring your success. Are you winning the internet? You're putting in the work. But how do you know if it's paying off? Tracking your social media success is crucial for understanding what's working and what needs adjustment. LinkedIn Analytics. Your built-in dashboard is a goldmine. See who's viewing your profile, what content resonates, and how your engagement is growing over time. Website traffic. Are people clicking through from your LinkedIn post to your portfolio or blog? Use tools like Google Analytics to track referrals and see what's driving traffic. Job opportunities. This is the ultimate measure of success. Are you getting more interviews or job offers since amping up your online presence? Keep track of how you're discovering opportunities and which platforms are delivering the best results. Brand sentiment. Are people talking about you online? Use social listening tools to monitor brand mentions and track the overall sentiment around your online presence. By actively measuring your progress, you can refine your strategy, focus on what works, and continue to build a powerful online presence that gets results.
From social media to dream job. Your journey starts now. Listen up. The job market is competitive, but you have the power to stand out. By mastering LinkedIn and building a strong personal brand across social media, you're not just applying for jobs, you're creating opportunities. This isn't about vanity metrics. It's about showcasing your value, connecting with the right people, and opening doors that were previously closed. It's about taking control of your career narrative and writing your own success story. And this is just the beginning. In our next session, we'll dive deeper into the world of AI tools that can supercharge your job search. We'll explore how to leverage these technologies to identify hidden opportunities, personalize your outreach, and land your dream job faster than you ever thought possible. The future is here. Embrace it, leverage it, and crush it. Your dream job awaits.